This video is how to add pages. I'll go back to my example site. This is the insert here for the text box, the images, the embed and the drive in different layouts. We need to click here on pages. And down the bottom we've got the plus sign. So we add a page and I'll call this learning and done. So we have a fresh page. We can also add a subpage to that and call that maybe term 1 number and push done. Now importantly, when we push publish and view the published site, you can see now that we've got learning. So that's one page clicking on the learning and another page clicking on term 1 number. Okay.